Hello guys, in this video today I'm going to show you how to uninstall Python completely from your Windows 10 or your Windows 11. And if you find this useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel. Now the first thing that you need to do is to uninstall Python from your control panel. And after we have installed from our control panel, it's not enough to completely remove Python from our computer. So just follow the video to the very end to avoid any mistake. Now the first step we need to do is to go to the control panel, go to the search and search for control panel. Then click on open. Then go to view by. Then select large icons. Then once you've done that, you are going to see programs and features. Click on it. Then it will land you here. So these are the installed apps on your computer. We are going to search for Python. Then here it is here. Python 3.13.7. So this is the Python that we want to uninstall from our computer. So once you have selected the program, just click on uninstall. Then click on yes. So as you can see guys, uninstall was successful. So you're just going to click on close. Then having uninstalled that, we are going to uninstall Python launcher again. So just click on it. Then click on uninstall. Then yes. So after that has been uninstalled, now we are remaining with one part, that is to delete all traces of Python in File Explorer. So I'm going to close this. Then you will go to the File Explorer. Then you will go to local disk C. Then here you are going to see Python here, this file, this folder. So click on it, then delete. Now having deleted that, you will go to Programs file. Then you will look for Python. Just press on letter P. Then you'll be able to see Python folder. Again, you need to delete this folder. So click on delete. Then the file will be deleted. And by doing so, you no longer have Python in your computer. So that's really it guys. That's how to uninstall Python completely from your Windows 10 or your Windows 11. And I hope this video was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.